Why we need the truth. What is truth? The truth is a lie believed by a majority, or a common-sense comfortable fact. We call it truth and agree on it. The real truth is known by a minority, it is kept secret, and it is difficult to understand and accept living inside it, once you know it. Welcome on YouTube on my channel Enrich Talks. I am Emil Truthman and I want to challenge your brain, change your vision of life and make you a subscriber of mine. I know a story from the channel alex.com, what if this life is heaven for us? Or my question, what if everything is a lie we don't know we are living? When we were kids we played a game called Water, Fire, Truth. Someone was hiding an object, and the other person must search the object in the entire house. The closer you were, we said fire fire, the distant you were we said water water. Once you found it, it was the truth. In the current times we live now, between the decade years 2020 and 2030, people are searching for the truth, everyone in his own ways, through faith, learning things, reading, doing or being. Other people accept this comfortable lie called what life is giving to us, and don't care what is happening around them, in their city, with their life. They are like talking plants. In general we all agree that truth is a fact, or is like an object, and some people who understand the life rules, are closer to the truth, and the silly and ignoring people are far away from the truth, in any domain of life. For example with taxes, some people pay them with their eyes closed, other people are learning and making financial decision to pay less taxes. Some people are working for a better life, family, and experiences, other people take what the life offers them, the leftovers from other people's experiences. It sounds tough, what someone throws away or leave behind, other person is taking it for original, pure, and useful. We need to know the truth, to position ourselves on the left or on the right, to position ourselves and identify with an ideology or a group, community, or team. I have the episode on how to handle the truth, find the link in the description of this video. The ugly part of life, is that we live with an idea of what truth means, what is truth for us. Maybe we live in the truth, and one day, things turn over and the R word is turned upside down. Never say never, is truth, in every domain of life, from spiritual to work and love. Health and knowledge. I had to change my religion when God told me it's time to know the truth. I was raised in a fake ideology. Or a man who praised meat and was eating so much meat until he was near to death, having health problems, and now he became vegetarian and healthy. Or with money, you think you are rich, until life hits you and realize you are actually poor. Or you think you are beautiful, until someone honest told you the truth, everyone was lying around you. Or you think you are smart, wise, or original, until someone broke your world, you are really not so special. How much truth do you want? To know what is truth, what is good and what is bad. Who decide what is the truth? The truth is what we live now, the reality we breathe. If the truth was a rock, how close are you to the truth? The purpose of this talks is to make truth around me. To make yourself questioning the truth fact, if you are on the right way of achieving your life goals, using truth, or honestly, you fake it, avoiding the way, and hope this way you will easy make it. To inspire you to don't care about other people's thoughts regarding your life truth, and regarding your beliefs and actions, the truth can be your ally. And to establish a rule for the truth, to understand in what world we live today, not our parents' world or not the future world of our kids, just today we wrote the truth. A common sense, truth is what the majority agree regarding the status of something. For example regarding rich men and beautiful women, the facts and numbers are true, the majority is always wrong. If many people like your half-naked photo, doesn't mean you are pretty but single, you are living in a delusion of prettiness, the same with money. Let's say truth is a material thing, like a rock. The more you understand life, facts, and data, the closer you are, and the way of using truth is in your advantage. The more you know, the easier it is for you. The open-minded you are, the easier you accept as true the things you don't like, and getting ready to change the gear. We live in lies, breathe the whispers of fake, swim daily in the ocean of changeable facts. Being aware of the truth regarding yourself, not lying to your mirror, lying other in life, is a step forward in life. The probability and possibility of facts. The possibility of truth is that you have many options to choose from, but the probability of success is limited because facts must be compatible with you and you must work for success. You have the possibility to buy a lottery's ticket, the probability to win is 0.thousands of 0. Same with a high rich man, a very beautiful woman, you can date, but after the first date he or she doesn't call you back. You can get the dream job interview, but you have to keep it, to prove you worth it. Many times I am tired seeking the truth, living it or being part of it. Observing people, you know the truth behind their problems, and many times it is better to not get involved. Now stop telling me the truth I already know, it is better to leave it, yes the truth, leave it where it belongs, or sitting on the truth and keep it for yourself makes you wise and in advantage. Another surprise episode, link in description. The truth can be your allied, truth is your super force and inspiration. Thank for your faith and patience. Emil Truthman salutes you.